Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by finding the exact shoulder reference. This positions the princess dart so it follows the body. With the garment on a dress form or the wearer, mark a 0.12 cm from the neck along the shoulder seam and draw a smooth guiding line toward the bust apex. Once done, transfer pattern notches and grain line so the dart mirrors the shoulder curve. Make sure to hold fabric taut but not stretched. This preserves fit and prevents distortion when you cut later. Now you cut. Slash the fabric from the shoulder edge down along the mark center line, stopping about 1 cm short of the bust apex so the point remains intact. Make small clip S at the shoulder seam allowance to allow folding. Leave a 3-5 mm hinge at the apex to avoid unraveling. Once cut, fold the dart and press it gently toward the side seam for a smooth roll. Baste in place and check the contour on the body to confirm the shaping is correct. To finish, sew the dart with a steady stitch about 2-3 mm from the pressed fold, tapering gradually to a neat point at the apex. Secure with backstitching only at the outer shoulder seam, not the point. Trim and grade seam allowances to reduce bulk and understitch if you need the seam to lie flat. If the dart pulls or puckers, make a small adjustment. Reduce shoulder intake by 0.51 cm or repress the fold. If puckering persists, rebaste and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.